He's making his first little snowman.
About to break his first snowman, too.
Oh, don't pick him up, baby. He'll break.
George, run and knock him down.
You tackle him? Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Good, how are you?
Here, show him to run and tackle.
Monkey, come here. Come here. Baby, come here. George, look, come here. Come here. Okay, hold on. Look. We're gonna run into snowman. Oh, he tackled. Ooh, go push him down. 1, 2, 3, push him! Oh no, you
Jump on him.
dead.
Jump on him.
Ready? Oh, ready, set.
Go, put this down, Mom.
Ready? Get dead. Oh no. Oh no. You kick him? Kick him. Oh, push him. Push him over. Push him over. Oh,
So you happy it snowed?
Yeah.